We are heading to Olympia. We're gonna drive through Seattle and Tacoma and then to Olympia. It's only 2 hours away. Hopefully it's a pretty cool drive through the cities at night. Yeah. So I've been, just started today, there's a clunk coming from like underneath my seat. I hit bumps and shit when I take off. So we'll have to figure that out somehow and see what kind of noise that is. A little scary. Figure it out. Holy shit. That's cool as fuck. See that shit? Holy fuck. Well, my brake light just came on. That's not fucking cool in this traffic jam. What is happening today? Goodness and badness. The sunset be looking fly though. Fucking brake fluid everywhere. I don't know what's going on, but we're gonna have to get that fixed right away. Son of a bitch. This is even gonna fucking help it all. See what level that's at. That'll get me across the fucking street to a hotel. And then we do some research tomorrow or tonight. Fucking find out where I need to go to fix this fucking issue. Okay. Next day, I got an appointment at Firestone at noon today. Hopefully I can get them brakes fixed. Or be brake fixed. I'm gonna... No fucking brake fluid in here. See the mess we got going on? This wheel is fucking soaked in brake fluid. We're gonna fill this brake reservoir up and then drive to the spot, which is only like 3 turns away. Well, we made it here. Let's hope they can do the job. So, Firestone does not fix metal brake lines. He told me about Midas, and they don't open till tomorrow, so I don't really know the plan. Go back to where I was at and buy more brake fluid, and then call there in the morning, I guess. Next day, gotta drive 5 minutes to a new shop. I have an appointment in a half hour. So we're gonna fill up some fluid and head there and hope we don't crash again. So far so good. Put her in park at the lights. Fucking Christ, dude, I hate this. Look at that, we made it. I didn't crash into anybody. Fuck. Guess what? It's time to hope that brake light stays off. It is. Maintenance light's off. Fuck. I got something to tell you about this situation. I had an appointment at 10, showed up at 9:40, got in right away. It is now 5:24. They struggled to get, well, they did the oil change right away, and that was fucking 20 minutes. Struggled to get the brake line apart. That was busted. At least like till 12:30, I think they told me about it. They got it apart, and And then when he started to pressurize that one, the other side rear blew in the same spot where the line was still rusty. So he spent another 3 hours fixing that while he was fixing the other one. And hopefully we're ready to fucking keep driving. They also told me that this thing should probably not do anything fucking crazy, aka mountain roads, bumpy roads. This thing needs retired. I need to put her down. Driving off a cliff sounds pretty fun, don't it? One way to get rid of a vehicle. I don't know, we're gonna go to somewhere and make sure the level's good, look over everything. I also got very lucky because I had enough cash to pay the $615 or whatever, $585 it was, because I didn't take American Express credit cards, and my debit card got hacked, so that's inactive. I wouldn't have been able to pull out more cash or use that. So yeah, what a fucking just grand old time I've had the past 2 days. But you have that, you get through it, and now everything's better and easier. And the next time something like this happens, it's just gonna be that much easier to deal with. Shit happens, everything will be okay. Yeah, boy.